Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today I'm going to be reviewing this unit right here from Zury. So if you would like to see more, then just stay tuned. But before we begin, I would like for everyone to check out lavidarosastyle.com, where you can find cute earrings like the ones I'm wearing today. The link is down below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into this review. Okay guys, like I mentioned in the beginning, this is a Zury Sis sister wig, and it's from the Slay collection. Okay. And it is in the style GIA and in the color 1B. And the first thing that stood out to me about this wig is that it claims to have a virgin touch. And y'all, I wish you could like touch this hair through the screen. When I first pulled it out, I thought this was human hair. Like, I literally, it looks and feels and moves like human hair. So it says here it's made from a premium human hair like Remy fiber, and you can apply heat to it up to 350 degrees. I don't know about y'all, but sometimes I get a little worried with bobs because they can be stiff. Stiff wear. Okay, this wig is just like bouncing and behaving. Most of the times when you find wigs that are bobs, they always have that bump under, but this one, it has a slight little bump just to frame your face a little bit, but it's for the most part straight. It's like a blunt type of A-line cut. Let me show you, and I'm gonna show you this side too. So this wig has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and 2 adjustable straps. And it has this one part, it's pretty much set in stone that this is a side part, just to give you this, you know, A-line bob effect. Which I'm cool with because I love this style. Usually I don't like bobs on me because I feel like the part on the side kind of frames my face better. I love a good deep part on the side, and that's another thing about this wig, it has a very deep part. Speaking of the part, I did have to do a little doctoring and add concealer and a little powder to the part to give it more of a realistic look. But once I did that, I feel like it really set it off and gave it, you know, more life. A jacked up part can ruin the entire wig for me. In case you haven't noticed, like, I'm super in love with this wig. Like, I can't stop moving. I can't stop. I already know if I wear this wig, I'm just gonna be like, huh? What? Just so I can show everybody that my wig moves. It ain't stiff, you know what I'm saying? I haven't had any shedding or tangling. Obviously, this is a bob. I didn't really have to do much manipulating or brushing. I absolutely love the packaging that the wig came in. It just feels so fancy. I love when companies take out the time to give the packaging of the wigs a nice little luxurious touch, make you feel like you're wearing something, you know, make you feel a little special when you open it, like it's a present. I love that. If you're looking for like a cute everyday wig, I feel like this one is perfect for like work, or even if you want to dress up. It's just like perfect for someone who needs a good like protective style, in my opinion, because I'm natural. So if you need like a good protective style to wear every day, you want to give your hair a break, I feel like this one is good. If I had to grade it, I would definitely give it an A++++. Well, actually, if I had to grade it, I would give it an A. I would have given it an A+ if the part would have already came, you know, correct, if I didn't have to do anything. But everything else just makes this wig so fabulous that I forget about the part. That's why it's getting a straight up A. I love it. And if you love it, the link will be down below. Shout out to Zury once again for sending me this wig. I love it, girl. Y'all did it with this one. So let me know what you guys think down below. I would love to hear your opinion. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.